In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Monster Hunt Rise on PC laptop. In order to download and install the Monster Hunt Rise on your PC, you have to follow the steps. In that case, first of all, you have to go ahead and install Steam. Through Steam, you could go ahead and install or access the Monster Hunter Rise. So for that case, you have to go to open up a browser. On the web address bar, you need to type in steam.powder.com. And right on this page, you have to go ahead and install the Steam application. After you're done installing the Steam, basically when you open up the following link, it's going to take you to the official page. Here, go ahead and press the install button. It's going to take you to the installation process. Once again, go through it and click the install button. As you do that, the exe file is going to be loaded up in the top right hand side corner. When the file is completely loaded, then you have to go ahead and open up the file location and you have to go ahead and start downloading or installing the application. So in this simple way, you'll be able to install Steam on your device. And likewise, after you're done installing Steam, you have to move on to the next page, that is creating your account. So basically, it's a very simple process to create an account as well. So after you're done creating your account, then you'll be taken to the home page, and here you need to go to stores. When you press on stores, here you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Monster Hunter Rise. And when you locate the following game, then you have to go ahead and press on it. And you have to go ahead and read all of the descriptions and all that and press the install or buy button. Then you'll have successfully installed or download the Monster Hunter Rise on your device or PC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.